Hello everyone, welcome back. How to make money online using FIFA World Cup trends. The FIFA World Cup is going on now, so how to make money online using the FIFA World Cup trends. That is what I'm talking to you about. This is a critical, practical guide. The FIFA World Cup is one of the strongest short-term attention events in the world. Every 4 years, billions of people focus on the same topic at the same time. For online entrepreneurs, this creates a rare condition, a massive spike in global attention concentrated into a few weeks. But a critical reality must be stated first. The World Cup does not automatically create income. It only creates attention. So money comes only when attention is converted into systems. This video guide explains how people actually make money online using World Cup trends in a realistic and practical way. Number one, YouTube content creation. Most powerful but competitive. There are many other people making YouTube videos about the World Cup and about other things. It's very powerful, but it's competitive. Now, when you come in, are you coming in to become lazy or to become the backbencher? You are coming in to also take your place. So you know you have to work very, very hard. As I'm creating this YouTube content now, I came to visit a friend in his office. He's a forex, he has a forex trading center, which we help to set up with him. So once in a while, when I have the chance, when I'm in town, I visit him. And since it's a training center, there are different classes. So where I am now is one of the classes. We just finished a class with a set of students. So they've gone. Now for the day, the class is gone, except those who come for personal consultancy, they are coming to see him. So I am here in one of the classes doing this video. Then I will now edit it. I edited some videos that I'm going to show up to Sunday, and I posted them on my channel, and I completed the posting while I'm here today. So to show the video, I will show by 5 p.m. today, tomorrow, and then on Sunday. Today is Friday now. So I've already done the video. Like that's how it goes. We keep pushing, and then we don't give up. So YouTube content creation is the most powerful but competitive. There are some people that are ahead of me in YouTube. I'm not bothered. I keep on doing my own thing based on the knowledge I have. Do your thing, let them do their own thing. Now, what works during World Cup? Match predictions, tactical analysis, who will win, debates, player comparisons, Messi versus Ronaldo, type content, reaction videos without copyrighted footage, top moments explained, how money is made, YouTube AdSense, high traffic CPM during sports events, sponsorships, sports apps, betting platforms, VPNs where legal, affiliate marketing links, channel growth, long-term monetization, critical reality. This space becomes extremely saturated during the World Cup. Success depends more on consistency and packaging, titles, thumbnails, than football knowledge. Most creators fail because they repost similar ideas. They copy trending videos without angle differentiation. They rely on hype instead of strategy. Number two way people can make money during World Cup like this online is through affiliate marketing using World Cup traffic. This is one of the most scalable methods, or if done correctly. What people promote: sports streaming apps, VPN services, fantasy football platform, betting platforms where legal, digital sports tools, how it works, create World Cup related content, videos, blogs, shorts, insert affiliate links in description or bio, earn commission per sign up or action. Critical insight: affiliate marketing fails when creators focus on traffic only. Traffic without trust does not convert. The winners are those who build authority, give useful insights, position offers naturally, not aggressively. Number three is TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and Shorts monetization. Short form content is one of the fastest ways to grow during World Cup season. content types, prediction in 30 to 60 seconds, match highlights, commentary, no copyrighted clips. Did you know? Football facts, funny fan reactions, quick analysis of goals and moments, monetization paths, creator forms where applicable, brand deals, driving traffic to YouTube or affiliate offers, digital product sales, critical reality. Short form content is powerful for reach, but weak for direct income unless the funnel viewers into a monetized system like YouTube, email lists, or products. Now, number 4 way you can make money online during World Cup is blogging about the World Cup and SEO content. This is an underrated strategy. What to write? You write match predictions, team analysis, player rankings, how to watch World Cup online, World Cup schedules and updates. Monetization can be by Google AdSense, affiliate links, sponsored articles. Critical insight: SEO traffic builds slower, but it lasts longer than social media hype. This method works best when combined with YouTube or social media. Number 5 is digital products, high profit margin strategy. Some online entrepreneurs create simple digital products such as World Cup prediction guides, how to bet smartly, risk-aware guides, football analysis templates, sports content creation guides, how they sell, Gumroad, PayHip, Shopify, Telegram channels, YouTube funnels. Critical reality: most digital products fail because they are not practical. They are rushed during hype. They lack distribution strategy. Product alone does not sell. Distribution does. Now let's go number 6, which is social media pages. These are also called attention pages. Some pages grow rapidly during World Cup by posting memes, match reactions, highlights, breakdowns, fan arguments, and debates. Monetization: sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, traffic redirection to YouTube or blogs. Critical insights: these pages rely on speed plus consistency, not originality. However, once the World Cup ends, engagement drops sharply, growth slows significantly. Then live streaming commentary. So as the match is going on live, you can live stream it. High engagement: you live stream and comment. Creators host live discussion during matches, predictions before matches, live reactions, no match footage, post match analysis, fan debates. Monetization: super chats on YouTube, donation, memberships, sponsorships. Critical insights: this works best for creators who already have community trust, consistent audience base. Without that, live streams often have low attendance. Niche websites, long-term play. Some entrepreneurs build niche sites like World Cup fixtures hub, team analysis blogs, betting prediction aggregators, stars comparison tools. Monetization: ads, affiliate links, data partnerships. Critical reality: this is not a quick money strategy, it is a long-term SEO investment. So I want to say a shout out to Lara Lawi and Amina Idris. 2 of them are members on my channel at the moment. I want you to also join the membership on my channel by buying me coffee. In the title section of this video, below this video, check, you're going to see where they write join. So click on the join and then you can join, and then when you click on the join and then you follow the steps and join, it will take you 3 to 5 minutes to join. Then there are some special videos I have made only for my channel members, which you can also benefit from. Number 9 online business that you can do during this World Cup season is freelancing services. Indirect World Cup income. The World Cup increases demand for freelancers, video editors for football content creators, thumbnail designers, scripters, social media managers. Why demand increases? Creators scale content production, brand launch campaigns, pages need fast content turnaround, critical insight. This is one of the most stable methods because it is skill based, not trend dependent. Number 10, the core truth. Attention is equal to system and is equal to income. Across all methods, one principle determines success. The World Cup gives attention, not money. To earn money, you must convert attention through content systems, YouTube, TikTok, and thereabouts. Monetization systems, ads, affiliate markets, and products. Audience systems, followers, email lists, communities. Most people fail because they chase trends without structure. Focus on views instead of conversion. Rely on viral luck instead of strategy. In conclusion, making money online using FIFA World Cup trend is absolutely possible, but it is not automatic. The real winners are not those who simply talk about football. They are those who understand. Like I am making this video now, my YouTube channel is already monetized. So if many people watch this particular video, I am going to make money on this video. So you can see now. So you have to build a system. So when the opportunity comes, you just move into the system. The videos I'm making currently is majorly about crypto airdrops. That is my focus for this season at this time. And I can talk about other ways to make money, but I'm focused on crypto airdrops and particularly Picoin. I'm doing a total analysis of Picoin. But because the World Cup is going now, I'm moving again towards the World Cup because it is going to end in about 3 weeks' time. So I need to talk about it and prepare people's mind for it because all attention are on the World Cup. So the real winners are not those who simply talk about football. They are those who understand how to turn global attention spikes into structured digital income systems. The World Cup is not a money machine. It is an attention accelerator. And in the digital economy, attention only becomes money when it is strategically converted. So, attention becomes money when it's strategically converted. Take for instance, I'm eating these plantain chips now. That's what I've been eating since I bought a whole bundle, a whole pack. So I've taken like 3 or 4. They are very small ones. So what happens is that these plantain chips are made from plantain. If the plantain is kept at home for a long time, it will spoil because it is perishable. So what they do is to peel the back, remove the back, and then slice it, and then fry it. And then in this fried state, it can stay longer. So that's what you're talking about. It is now strategically converted. So you have the audience, you have the attention. You have to strategically convert the attention into money by strategic conversion. So that is what I have to tell you in this video. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't know how to do it, and you want me to take you through, I have a series of videos on my channel teaching you how to make YouTube, or how to start a YouTube channel. And if you want me to take you one-on-one, I can also take you. I charge 50,000 naira to take you on how to start a YouTube channel and how you actually start it, and I'll run it with you for 6 months. So I'll teach you, I'll be guiding you step by step. I'll be prompting you. Have you done it for 6 months? After 6 months, I'll leave you alone. You'll be on your own. Whatever you have learned, then you can be watching me. And if you don't want to do that, on my channel, I have a series of videos about YouTube, about TikTok. Go and watch them and follow the steps. But if you want me to hold you by the hand and move you to the next level, then you're going to pay me 50,000 naira, and I'm going to be with you for 6 months. Then you start the channel, you run the channel, and everything. I'll teach you everything, how to get the content, the niche you're going to use, everything. And then in 6 months, you stand on your own 2 feet. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.